loader. I love construction trucks. Let's get rolling. It comes with 3 different cans, and it's for kids 3 years old and up. Wow! One of the cans has Play-Doh sand compound. I could make sand come out of the front shovel. That's gonna be fun. The claw can pick up the sand. Can't wait to try that. Look at all the construction stuff we could do. This thing is cool. I could move the claw around. This is what makes it a front loader. I can make a Play-Doh construction cone and some tools with these molds. Turn the crank in the back. I'm going to have a rocket time making pretend boulders with this mold. Some yellow modeling compound and blue. And here's the can of Play-Doh sand. I could press the back of the claw to open it and pick up my Play-Doh creations. Now I'll take out my Play-Doh sand compound to see how it works with the rock mold. You've got to fill up both sides of the molds like this. Then squeeze it shut. Open the mold back up and take it out. Let's rock and roll, everybody! Use the claw to pick up the rock we made out of Play-Doh sand. If you put it on top of the truck, you can make something else happen. Let's try it. You've just got to squish the sand in first to make it work, just like that. Turn the crank to grind up the rock into little bits. Keep cranking. We can't forget all the fun molds on the truck. Here's the cone mold. I'll put some yellow in here, and here's my Play-Doh cone. We could make a few cones for our pretend construction site and drive through them. I can also make a little blue walkie-talkie on the claw arm. And here's a mold to make a pickaxe for my construction site. I can use both colors to make the head and the handle. Let's pick up all the stuff with the claw to move it out of our way. We need more pretend tools for the job. Here's a Play-Doh monkey wrench. Flip the truck over for more shapes to make. This time, I'm making a regular Play-Doh wrench. We'll put that with the rest of our tools. Now I'll use 2 colors to make a shovel. Remember to get rid of the extra to make the shape come out nicely. I dig it! A little briefcase to go with my other pretend tools. I just noticed this other mold over here. It makes a saw. Can't forget our Play-Doh screwdriver to go with our other pretend tools. And here's my very own Play-Doh hammer. Now it's time to crush it all up. It's fun to make different Play-Doh things, but it's also fun to crush. There's always a job to do at my own construction zone. The Play-Doh Wheels front loader playset paves the way for me to use my imagination again and again. It's got lots of molds to make cool shapes. And the Play-Doh sand compound is so much fun to play with. Thanks for unboxing with me, everybody.